In this podcast, Ali Abdaal is being interviewed by Dr. Judy Smith, a clinical psychologist and best-selling author. The focus of the interview is Ali's new book, Feel Good Productivity: How to Do More of What Matters to You. Ali discusses his journey in writing the book and the principles of feel-good productivity. Ali explains that his interest in productivity began during his time in medical school and building his first business. He realized the need to become more productive and efficient in order to balance his studies and work. As he transitioned into full-time work as a doctor, he faced new challenges in managing his time and energy. This led him to explore the concept of feel-good productivity, which focuses on using positive emotions to boost performance and creativity. Ali discusses the broaden and build theory, which suggests that experiencing positive emotions can enhance performance and creativity. He explains that positive emotions can lead to a broader perspective and the ability to explore new ideas and opportunities. This theory forms the basis of feel-good productivity, emphasizing the importance of joy and positivity in the workplace. Ali emphasizes the importance of approaching work with a spirit of play rather than seriousness. He shares examples of successful individuals who maintain a positive and light-hearted approach to their work, even in high-stress environments. He believes that success should not come at the expense of one's physical and mental well-being, and that enjoying the journey is essential for sustainable productivity. Dr. Judy Smith highlights the impact of positive emotions on productivity, drawing parallels to the behavior of young children. She explains that when children experience positive emotions, they are more likely to take risks and engage in new experiences. Ali agrees, citing research that shows how positive emotions can enhance creativity and problem-solving abilities. Ali describes the process of writing his book, acknowledging the challenges and moments of self-doubt. He explains that he initially approached the writing with a sense of seriousness and heaviness, feeling the pressure of creating a book. However, he learned to apply the principles of feel-good productivity to his writing process, allowing himself to approach it with more lightness and playfulness. Ali shares his experience of a writing retreat with his team, where he was able to focus on writing one chapter per day. He found that having a clear goal and dedicated time to write helped him make significant progress. He also reflects on the value of editing and the magic of refining the first draft into a more polished final product. Ali outlines 3 sections of his book: energize, unblock, and sustain. He explains that the first part of the book focuses on the energize method, which is about generating energy to make one more productive. He discusses the importance of finding joy and pleasure in work, as well as the concept of side quests to add variety and curiosity to tasks. He also emphasizes the need for challenge in order to make work more enjoyable. The second part of the book, the unblock method, is about overcoming procrastination by identifying and addressing emotional blockers. Ali uses the analogy of walking to a friend's house for dinner, but feeling pain in the process. He explains that the motivation method is about battling through the pain because of the desire to reach the goal, while the discipline method is about honoring commitments. However, the unblock method involves identifying the source of the pain, such as a pebble in the shoe, and removing it to make the journey more enjoyable. Ali discusses the emotional blockers of procrastination, such as fear and self-doubt, and the strategies for addressing them. The third part of the book, the sustain method, focuses on making productivity sustainable over the long term. Ali explains that burnout is a common issue and discusses the 3 types of burnout addressed in the book. He emphasizes the importance of taking appropriate breaks, rest, and recharging to maintain sustainable productivity. The discussion then moves on to the different types of burnout, including overexertion burnout, depletion burnout, and misalignment burnout. Ali highlights the importance of recognizing the signs of burnout and taking proactive steps to recharge and prevent burnout. He shares his personal approach to taking breaks and recharging his energy throughout the day, emphasizing the importance of incorporating activities that actually recharge energy rather than just filling time with unproductive tasks. Ali considers himself a teacher and finds joy in learning and sharing knowledge with others. He discusses how the book aligns with his passion for teaching and how it may influence his future content, such as YouTube videos and podcasts. He emphasizes the importance of adapting to different platforms and formats to continue teaching and sharing knowledge. Ali addresses the misconception that he is constantly super productive and emphasizes the importance of sustainability in his work. He shares that he actively incorporates breaks and activities that recharge his energy throughout the day, even if it may seem unconventional to others. He also discusses a study that found the most productive workers took a 17-minute break for every 43 minutes of work, highlighting the importance of incorporating regular breaks into the workday. Ali also discusses the importance of adding joy to daily tasks, whether it's doing the dishes, laundry, or greeting colleagues at work. He shares personal experiences of finding ways to make mundane tasks more enjoyable, such as listening to music or podcasts while doing chores. He also highlights the impact of small gestures, such as bringing scones for colleagues or offering to make tea for others, in creating a more positive and energized environment. Throughout the conversation, Ali emphasizes the importance of self-awareness and reflection in finding moments of joy and enhancing productivity. He encourages individuals to regularly assess their own well-being and identify areas where they can inject more joy into their daily lives.